Hello, people. So, yesterday was one of the craziest, busiest days of my life. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, like, there was a lot of work to do in terms of even, when you call these repair people, also, it's another set of work. And that's what there was a lot of content writing work I did. But more than that, it is finally I've realized that when you do something, especially creative work, where you feel it will kind of help the larger good, like it is in my Instagram page. It makes me really happy running that page. Then you really do well in it. So that's going to be my mantra in life. And today it was just there was this light bulb flicker moment that if you in your heart believe that you will reach wealth or riches or greatness or whatever, you will do it. It's like we hold ourselves back. Yeah, we are our own biggest enemies. No, so that thought just occurred to me, so I just felt I should share it because on Instagram you have these random profiles that have like 50,000 followers, 70,000 followers, so it's just I feel it's a mindset belief. So then you will have like so many followers. Lots of gyan for today. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.